What you doing?
How many days were you gonna stay there?
2 days in Kazanlak and
No, we're
then
gonna total.
till the 29th. So I don't know how it counted, 9 days or something like that.
We have to bring all the books.
Yes. 9 days. So we're leaving again. This time we're driving. We're gonna spend most of the time at the Black Sea, but a couple of days in Kazanlak. Oh, I was gonna say this. Hello and welcome to another video on our channel.
Here's Philip Joe, and he says hi. Hi, Philip Joe.
Hi.
Hi, baby. Oh, and push. I got you on camera. I have proof.
Play, right? Gentle play. We don't push, right?
Nice and gentle. Yeah, that's more gentle. Very good. Very good. Push, push. Okay, now I have nowhere to go. There we go.
Gentle play.
I am actually recording. There he goes. Okay, now we're moving. He's like, move, move. Oh, thank you. Move me out of the way. Unclothes. Oh, is that Mama's shirt? Yes, Mama's shirt. It was just in the laundry. You gonna wear it? You like it? He's so cute. You are so cute. Okay.
Oh, come on now. The woods aren't scary. When I was a wilderness team ranger, I camped out here all the time. In fact, why don't we all camp out for the night?
Good for you. What is that smell?
Why, Philip? Philip, Daddy needs the camera. Can Daddy use?
We'll get there. Robo-Gobo, Saturday mornings on Disney Junior. It's fun time.
What you filming? Huh? What you filming?
Да, знаеш, не знам дали си гледал примерно за Джон Цин, мисля, че се казва. Нива. От 0 до 22 ниво и от 22 нагоре. И реално погледнато ти мога да си на някакъв небостър. Спира в го. Такива патета с верига и чакат да ги вкарат вътре. Да ги си го поръчаш, нали? Искаме това, ние ти го...
Да, в Марокко го има също.
Костадурки, саламандри, това ти говоря в Пекин, в столицата, брат. Не в центъра, много странно.
Как се разбираш?
Много трудно.
Трудно.
Още никой не
преводачи,
нали? Да. И най-трикито беше, че...
Не бе, там в басейн,
Аз го...
Papi, papi.
Philip, we have to eat.
Put it on.
Go, baby.
Okay, you're putting it on the wrong way. You're putting it on the wrong way. Like that. There you go. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yay. Okay. Okay.
Oh, there is. Maybe more. But we have floaties.
Okay.
I will get this soap and prepare things.
Неговото
Дай, баба. Филипчо.
turn off the sound.
It look like hummingbird.
Yeah.
Ей, гашичките са му мокри. Къде бе? Басейн? Какво, как? Да.
Това е.
Добре, айде, аз ще бъда там. Ще пробваме да смокваме. Ти се оправиш с него да го заведеш надолу.
Аз се чудя ние дали да не ходим на плажа, ама... Те в Доминиканската република ставаха тези песни. No.
Сложа тия неща.
You wearing daddy's glasses?
Там се тя ми се обадил и там. Hi, say hi. Hi guys. Hi guys. That's Baba. That's Baba. This is Philip. Ay, kay Papa yan. He's Papa.
Get uit de Sylvana, ik moet hem met de cebola. You're okay. But you have to turn it off before you put it in there, yes. Turn it off.
Hello guys. Hi guys. Bravo Muncenso. Hi guys.
To je snima. To je snima se ja.